The fixed in parent command enables you to lock the position of an item, either in the 3D scene or in the assembly it's in. That's why it's called parent, because it fixes it in the parent item. If it's a part inside an assembly, then it will fix it inside that assembly. Whereas if it's an assembly at the top level, like this one here, then fixed in parent will fix it in the 3D scene, which is similar to fixing it in Earth. It can't move in any direction whatsoever. Its coordinates are essentially locked. And you get this icon here, which is a little pin that tells you that's now fixed. Now if we turn that off and turn on mechanism mode, and then we drag the robot, you can see the whole robot can move, and you get an unpredictable result. That may not be what you're expecting when you go to move the robot. Whereas, if we imagine the real-world use case for this robot, where this base is likely fixed or bolted to the ground or to a table. Therefore, if we click on that base, and then select fixed in parent, it will lock that down in the 3D scene, and if we then use mechanism mode, we can drag the robot and get a much more predictable result for how it will behave. Because now that base is locked, now you can see it behaving in a predictable way. It's worth noting that fixed in parent, as well as being available here in the tools menu, is also available by right-clicking on a part. So for example, we can right-click on this assembly and then deselect fixed in parent, and right-click and reselect fixed in parent. That's how to use the fixed in parent command.